Introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Abhilash Sharma. I am from Ratlam. I pursued my BE from MIT Ujjain in 2014, and currently I am working on a project named COVID Shanti, which is basically an e-commerce website which deals with hand sanitizer, mask, immunity boosters.
Okay. Means right now you are working on COVIDShanti.com.
Yes, sir.
Okay. COVIDShanti.com, it is a e-commerce
Yes, sir.
application.
It is an e-commerce platform in which we are using the technologies like Python and Django.
Okay. What is the URL of this?
Sir, its URL are covidshanti.com, and you can visit directly, and you can also order online.
Okay. How many product there?
Sir, we can deal with immunity booster, sanitizer, mask, and safety kit.
Okay. What is the database architecture of this project? Means how many tables you have created for this?
Sir, we have created so many tables like categories, subcategories, admin users, and product order, online cart we add on this project.
Okay. Cart also you have it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have created using Python or Django?
Sir, Python is a language we use for code, and Django is a framework we use for design. In Django, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
What is Django?
Django is basically a high-level framework. Django is a Python-based framework,
Okay.
which is used to integrate and develop dynamically website.
What is the difference between static website and dynamic website?
So, static website, in a static website you can't modify or edit the object at runtime,
Okay.
and dynamically you can update any detail or any object at runtime.
Okay. What is Python?
So Python is a high-level object-oriented interpreted language.
Okay.
It with modules, class, methods, and functions.
Okay. Python has compiler or not?
No, sir. Python has interpreter.
Okay.
In Python, interpreter read codes line by line,
Okay.
whereas C and Java is a compiled language and Python is an interpreted language.
Python has a machine code or byte code?
No, so Python is a bytecode.
Okay.
A bytecode is a code which is an intermediate code between source code and machine code.
Who develops Python?
Python developed by Guido van Rossum in Netherlands in 1991.
Okay. Why he developed Python?
He developed Python for high-level programming and for general-purpose programming.
Okay. You can create system software using Python?
Yes, sir. We can create system software in Python because Python allows developer to easily communicate with the operating system via OS module.
Okay. Python has data type or not?
So Python has data type. As you know, everything in the Python has an object, and every object has its own data type. Basically, data type is a class, and variables are the object or instance of that class.
Any predefined method of Python where you can display data type?
Yes, sir. There are so many data type in Python. Like
No, means suppose that you are assigning A assigned 10
yes, sir.
and I want to display their data type. You can display it? Any
Yes, sir. You
predefined
can
method?
display by using type method.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What return type method?
Sir, type using type and parentheses.
Okay. What return? What output it will return?
Sir, it will give the type of the object or instance. It will, for example, if it is float value, it will display the float or integer.
It will display class colon float or simply float?
No, sir. It will simply display float.
Okay. What is the difference between script based or code based language?
Sir, in script-based language, basically interpreter works. As you know, Python is a script-based language where interpreter are run against a text file which containing Python code. So where Python code can run anywhere that there is an interpreter.
Okay. And code based language?
So in code-based language like Java and C, there is a compiler which can convert completely source code into machine code. So there are no interpreter.
Python is the operating system dependent or independent?
No, so Python is independent.
Means we can run Python script in anywhere, means any operating system?
Yes, sir. We can run in any operating system, but there are some exception like function and classes. Some function and classes are working.
Android operating system you can run Python script.
Yes, sir. We can run.
You have tried to run any Android operating system?
Yes, sir. I don't know about this.
Okay. What is doc string in Python?
Sir, Python documentation string or doc string are basically a sequence of character, or you can say it is allow the object, or it is a process of object documentation with the function, class or method. You can specify the documentation of function between the segment code. Basically it is a multi-line string. You can use triple quotation by using multi-line string.
Okay. What is the lambda keyword in Python?
So in Python there are anonymous function you can which are defined by without name. So lambda is basically an anonymous function.
Okay. What is pickling and unpickling in Python?
Sir, pickling is a method. Python object pickling is a method which allow Python object to convert into the string. Pickling method, by the pickling method you can convert the object into a string and dump into a file by using dump method. If you want to retrieve the original object from that string, this process is called unpickling.
Okay. What is monkey patching in Python?
Sir, monkey patching is the dynamic modification of the class or function at the runtime.
Okay. How Python manage memory?
Yes, sir. So in Python memory, there are no use to allocate the memory because Python has a interpreter language. So the developers of the Python are inbuilt the garbage collector in the Python.
Means Python has garbage
Python is a garbage collector. So we don't use to allocate or deallocate the memories.
Any differences between garbage collector and destructor in Python?
No, sir,
Python has destructor or not?
No, sir. Python has Python don't have destructor. Python is a garbage collector.
It has no destructor. You are sure?
So I don't know about the destructor.
Okay. Python is a low level, high level, or middle level? Which type of script?
Sir, Python is understood as a high level programming language. Sir, in the coding, according to the coding, a high level language is that the code of the language, you can decide the level of the language by the code of the language is how the distance between the code and the machine level code.
Okay. Means suppose that you are writing the Python code, then it will directly convert into the machine code, or any
sir.
other process will be working on?
No, sir, there are interpreter which can read the code line by line.
Okay, you are writing the code in Python script.
Yes.
Okay, interpreter will read Python script or some another code.
No, sir, interpreter reads the Python code.
And operating system read Python code or not?
Yes, sir.
Which code operating system execute? Python code or any other code?
Sir, bytecode.
Okay, so white code, how Python script will convert into white code? What is the process for this? Suppose that you are writing Python script and you want to convert into the white code. What process will be implemented?
Sir, it converted by the OS module.
OS module.
Sir, I don't know your question.
Suppose that you are writing the code on Python script and operating system understand machine code. How Python script converted into the machine code? That process, that flow, that chain I want to know.
So by interpreter.
by Python interpreter. You are saying me to that interpreter is used to read the code.
Yes, sir.
I am not asking to read. How Python interpreter script or how Python script will convert it into the machine code? What is the process behind this? Because conversion will be required. You are writing Python script, operating system, understood machine code. So how Python script will be converted into the machine code? That is my question. Okay. Thank you for interview.
Thank you, sir.